Today I took 3 trades, 3 losers. Probably shouldn't have taken that one. Or this one. Wait, no, that one. The last trade. After the first two clearly didn't work out. Yeah, actually my plan worked out, but my long plan worked out, not my short plan. And I was more long biased, but I just didn't catch the move. So today it was opening above value and range, which I liked. I really like this level for longs. Value year high and high volume no ledge all coincided here. We were going to open up above H3, but it all got messed up because it didn't actually open up above H3. It opened just inside. So now I'm just waiting for this area, which was my preferred area to long anyways. So I had this H3 level to long. I guess there was a pre-market overnight low here just above yesterday high, which seems like it bounced off of. Didn't even notice that. Yeah, that seems to be pre-market highs and lows seem to be a level that's working out pretty well these days. But yeah, I really like this area of 75.31 to about 75.50 where H3 was too long. If not, I was less inclined to take this, but 75.72 to 75.81 H4 high volume no ledge. I said pretty bullish open. High volume no ledge is lining up well value area high. I wouldn't mind longing anywhere from H3 to value area high. Targeting H4. But for shorts, I don't know if I should be shorting H4, although it kind of lines up with high volume no ledge, even higher supply zones. But do I really want to short on a bullish open type of day? But I'm not very confident in it. But the thing is that I completely missed this H3 long over here, so I tried to short 3 separate times and did not happen. Honestly, I should have stopped after these two. Clearly, every dip was getting bought. Now it was above H4, and yeah, I shouldn't have attempted that third one, but whatever. Yeah, this, unfortunately, it seems like I just missed that pre-market low long here. So it does come down into this area right as it opens up, 75.43 or so. And it does rally out of this, right? And then I see this. So bunch of buyers coming up. Huge delta here, huge delta. But price is kind of negative. But eventually it holds there. And all these buyers that come in, they kind of hold, it makes this grand old P shape here. And it bounces. So I'm still waiting for it to break lows into my value area high area around 75.31. But POC at the lows here, B shape, and then starts going off on huge delta here. I don't know. I saw these buying imbalances come in, but it just kind of made me nervous that it was such big buying delta and it wasn't moving that much. I mean, I could take it as a positive sign sometimes, but I mean, it was a good, nice B shape and a nice B shape over here. So B shape and then a pullback into B shape. I could have, I guess, entered, but I was trying to be patient. I wasn't too sure about this level at H3 because it opened inside H3. I really wanted to wait for 75.37 or so, 75.31. Yeah, so I just kind of let that one go, but that would have worked out very nicely. But that was pretty much the only thing I saw on that H3 long. Yeah, but pretty much everything else was like every dip was getting bought. But I saw this shooting star, I guess. That was about it, honestly. But I see this 75.70 big delta level comes back up there, and then rejects pretty quickly there. So that's the second time coming into it and rejecting. So I try short. Probably the best trade of the day, honestly. But delta divergence on the 20 range chart. It was kind of going down a little bit, but forms a nice B shape over here and starts going back up. I decided to just, let it play out and stop me out at full stop loss instead of taking it off early, although I kind of wanted to take it off early because of that B shape. Now it's coming back, and maybe I should have. I don't know. But I already entered, so I should accept my loss. So I did and took that full loss. And then, honestly, I was kind of patient throughout the whole morning today. I did a lot of review on July, and I'm trying to be much more patient and waiting for good opportunities. But yeah, I don't know. I just kind of fell apart after that. Came into H4 here, where H4 is 75.81. It's almost 10 points above that now, but I was trying to grasp at something. I got that 2-minute delta divergence here, which was nice, but just wasn't the best, honestly. After that 20 range delta divergence bullish, every dip was getting bought the whole morning. Probably shouldn't have taken that either, but yeah, decided that I want to try it out. And then even later on, it comes into supply. Not quite, but the 75.95, I see decent confirmations here, or so I thought. 2-minute delta divergence there, another 2-minute delta divergence. And it seemed like it was holding there, so I try it one more time, and yeah, and I get stopped at. So not the best quality trades here. This was the best opportunity, but besides that B shape, I didn't really see much, so decided not to go for it. I mean, even if I realized that it was a pre-market low level, probably wouldn't have gone for it. I don't know. Just wasn't ideal. But these two trades probably could have been avoided. Not the worst, I guess, here, but yeah. So, once again, continuing the drawdown here.